All right, let's get started here. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lee Janenchen. I am the Director of Sales for the HVAC market here at Kinetics Noise Control. Today will be a very quick, brief introduction to a new product that's coming to the HVAC market here at Kinetics Noise Control. We'll just 5 to 10 minutes here, get everyone on their way. If you have any questions, you can put them in the questions section of the chat box, or my email will be displayed at the end of the presentation for anyone that wants to follow up here. So let's talk a little bit today about V.LOCK. V.LOCK is a seismic restraint component that we're going to be offering here at Kinetics Noise Control, and this is in the realm of seismic restraint for non-structural components. Here at Kinetics, our staple of products for seismic restraint have always been led by the V.LOCK. The V.LOCK shown here in the picture is our current seismic restraint device that comes with the cable kits that we currently offer here at Kinetics. And the V.LOCK is a fantastic product that does as intended. However, the installation of the V.LOCK itself in the field can be sometimes a little lengthy and a little challenging. So in order to properly install a V.LOCK device, you do have to feed the cable through the V.LOCK twice, and then each one of the little adjustment screws does have to be torqued down to a certain torque setting using a torque wrench. So as you can imagine, when you have a long run of pipe or duct, you have a lot of seismic restraints within that run. There's an awful lot of these devices that have to be tightened up. So with that in mind, Kinetics is coming out with a product called V.LOCK. The V.LOCK product is essentially a seismic restraint plate that takes 3 extremely easy steps to tighten. So unlike cranking down the adjustment bolts for the V.LOCK, the V.LOCK, as you can see from the rendering, the diagram here, you just feed the cable through the 2 holes around whatever you're attaching it to, and then under the cable again. So that's how the V.LOCK system works, and as you can tell, installation is done in much less time, saving field labor for the contractor. So here's a look at our 1/8-inch cable kit. This will come with 15 foot of cable. It will come with 2 hook brackets. I'll show how those work here in a minute. And the V.LOCK plate. The V.LOCK plate will be in line with the cable kit and easily installed. For the 3/16 cable and the 1/4-inch cable, we are going to be offering an angle bracket, which is very similar to our current kit offering that we have currently with V.LOCK. So let's take a quick look at how potentially the hook bracket would work and a look at the V.LOCK itself in action. So the hook bracket can be installed on any rod or threaded anchor that's already in place. Slide the hook around the system, and then as you can see, the V.LOCK plate is easily installed in the cable and restraining. So the hook bracket's meant for easy installation as well. And again, the V.LOCK with the 1, 2, 3 system. So how long does it actually take to install V.LOCK? We recently did a test installation, and it can be used for ducting, rectangular, round duct, pipe, conduit, equipment that's suspended, cable trays, those kind of things. And we recently timed a contractor installing V.LOCK. So here you can see the contractor starting with the actual installation of the anchor part. This is a suspension kit, a V.LOCK suspension kit. The contractor's installing the anchor, and he's actually going to be attaching it to that other cable that's spanning the space that's going to be holding a duct sock. So we use this as a great example to see how long it's going to actually take from screwing the V.LOCK into the structure and then sliding the V.LOCK plate up the cable to where it's in position, then taking the rest of the cable below the V.LOCK around whatever it is you're suspended, and then basically making that 1, 2, 3 loop through the V.LOCK. So in this actual installation, this video, the timing is 1 minute and 3 seconds. So compared to our current offering with the Quake Lock, 1 minute and 3 seconds is going to save a lot of time in field labor and really lower the installation costs for seismic restraint for the contractor out in the field. So when is it coming? When are we going to have more information? We will start engineering designs around V.LOCK projects here in the next month or two, and product will be available middle to end of next month for shipping. So V.LOCK's here, it's coming. There'll be more information on the website soon, but that's really it. The product is extremely simple to use and easy to install, and that's why it's a real short and simple webinar today. So I can see there's no questions in the box. My email is on the screen, so anyone that has any questions about V.LOCK, please don't hesitate to reach out to me personally, and I will do my best to answer your questions. Thank you, everyone, today, and have a great day.